Here we have a 2018 BMW 320d M Sport Shadow Edition. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent unmarked, unscratched condition, complemented by the blue M Sports brakes just behind. The vehicle itself is finished in a mineral grey exterior paintwork. We've got the full M Performance styling kit, as you can see by the side skirts and front splitter just there. Great looking from the front end as well. We've got the black kidney grills in the middle just there. Coming around to this corner, we've got our second alloy wheel. Again, excellent condition. Black wing mirror, colour-coded door handles, privacy glass for the rear passengers with black trim around the windows, shark fin antenna on top, and there's a look at that side skirt as well. Third alloy wheel. Now we've got our spoiler lip on the back just there. We do also have reversing parking sensors, as well as a dual exit exhaust. We'll open up the boot here for you as well. Great amount of space in here, as you can see, for whatever you may need. Close that up. As you can see, the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And here's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. Now going on to the interior, we have got a full black Dakota leather interior throughout this vehicle. Incredibly comfortable seats. ISO fixed points within the seats. We've got a fold down armrest in the middle there. We've got our vents in the centre just there for the 12-volt connectivity. Storage nets behind the front passengers. Integrated speakers on the doors with this leather. We've then got our electric windows, brushed metal handle and additional storage. In the front here, we've got that same full black Dakota leather interior, which looks fantastic. On the doors we've got our uprated premium Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds superb. Great bass from these systems. Electric wing mirrors with electric window control, brushed metal handle and the leather just there again. Stepping inside, we'll start the vehicle up, foot on the clutch, button just there, and we are away. We'll just wait for that to warm up. There we go. As you can see, we have covered just over 63,200 miles, and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We've got the orange triangle there, but that's just due to low diesel. Nothing to worry about at all. Coming back, we've got our multifunctional steering wheel, different controls like speed limiter and cruise control, phone controls and volume controls. We've then got our auto wipers on the right, auto high beam assist on the left. We've got our start-stop technology on the left there as well. Coming up, we've got our infotainment screen, so you can see we've got navigation on display at the moment. We've then got different forms of media connectivity, like our radio. We've got DAB, DMB and FM, as well as AM, radio, CD, Bluetooth audio and USB. Plenty of ways to listen to your music. Phone connectivity as well, so you can play and make calls from your phone. We've then got our different driving modes, so you've got things like Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. Now if I put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we do also have the visual display of our rear parking sensor there as well. Now coming down, we've got our lock and unlock button as well as hazard lights. We've got our stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left here. We've then got our dual zone climate control, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently with ice cold air conditioning and convenient shortcuts like the Max AC. Coming down, we've got some additional storage space. We've got 2 good sized cup holders with 12-volt connectivity, traction control button. We've then got our mode select, 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got our control wheel and shortcuts for the infotainment screen. So these are what I've been using to navigate the display during this demonstration. We've then got our soft touch leather armrest, which does also double up as storage. You can find a USB in there as well. How lovely is this trim too? Which continues around the vehicle. Now the car is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, a fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive for this BMW 320d. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect. Starting off, as you can see, I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also talk through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they it should. Starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control. So to activate cruise control, I simply press cruise, push up on the trigger just there, and I'm now cruising at 46 miles an hour. Very easy to adjust the speed like so. To deactivate, I simply press cruise or apply pressure to the brake, and we are back to normal control. We've then got our 6-speed manual gearbox just here, so I'm currently in 4th gear. Change up to 5th, like so. Change into 6th, back to 5th, and then as we slowly approach the roundabout, down into 4th. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, exactly how you would expect. No jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, just working exactly how it should. Now we are going to take a left at the roundabout as if you were here with us today. And it's a good point to talk about how comfortable this vehicle is. We've got the full leather interior throughout, which is incredibly comfortable. We can happily do 200, 300, 400 miles in this vehicle with ease. We've then got all the modern amenities we could desire. We've got our satellite navigation, we've then got Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, plenty of different ways to listen to music and connect to our devices. And of course we have got a Harman Kardon uprated audio, so it does sound fantastic as well. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 1.5 years. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. We have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless, and what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, basically to ensure your own safety and ours. Now we are a 5-star dealership as well. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check these reviews out, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I will perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate the reverse works as it should. So pulling in now, emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. Very sharp on the brakes just there. Throw it into reverse. We've got a visual display of both of our rear parking sensor just there, all working exactly how it should. And as you can tell throughout this whole journey, we've had no knocks or bangs of any kind, which obviously you would be listening out for if you weren't here today. Now, this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome if you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange, and if there is anything we have missed in our online photos, a video walk around or this test drive, again feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. But that's all from me today. I hope you found this video useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.